everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I am the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and today's Brain Break is sponsored by Nico Nico's. So today I am going to show you how you can create a gourmet meal like this one here in just a few minutes. How do you ask? Well, we're going to make this not with regular food. We are actually going to make our gourmet meal with Play-Doh. So we won't actually be able to eat this meal, but we can use our imaginations along with some simple ingredients you can find at home to make something that looks pretty appetizing. Now, if you already have store-bought Play-Doh at home, you can use that. But if you need to make your own, here's a really simple no-cook recipe that doesn't get too messy. For this, you need a cup of flour, a quarter cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. And if you don't have cream of tartar, you can substitute a different acidic food item like vinegar or lemon juice. And then about a half to about 3/4 of a cup of water, along with a little bit of food coloring. Now, instead of mixing in a bowl, I'm actually going to mix everything in one big Ziploc bag. That keeps all of the mess inside until we're ready to knead our dough. First, add all of your dry ingredients to the bag. That's 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. Close the bag and mix everything together. Next, add your tablespoon of cooking oil, a few drops of food coloring, and about a half a cup of warm water to start. Seal up the bag, try to get the air out first, and go ahead and mix everything together with your hand. Once everything is mixed together, you can open up the bag and check to see if it's too wet or too dry. If it's too dry, add a little bit more water. If it's too wet, you can get a little flour on your hands. Then take it out of the bag and finish mixing all of your ingredients together until it's no longer sticky. Now, if you'd like, you can repeat this as many times as you like, adding different colors of food coloring to give you different colors of Play-Doh. Once you're done making your Play-Doh, you can use it to create different types of foods. You can make main dishes, you can make fruits and vegetable sides, anything you like, and place them on your plate. If you'd like, you can use things like plastic knives or plastic forks to give you either some straight lines or to add some texture. And we are done. Check it out. We have a gourmet meal. Am I right? I mean, which of these would you rather eat, huh? Okay, well, officially you can't eat either because this is Play-Doh and this is plastic, but still, it's a lot of fun to use your imagination and your creativity to create all sorts of different foods using your own homemade Play-Doh. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us for today's Brain Break, sponsored by Nico Nico's. We'll see you all soon. Bye.